to begin with the t-shirt stitching, I'm going to take my back and I'm going to take my front shoulder, keep it together, and to save this I am using a serger machine, which is also called as overlock machine. This is particularly used for t-shirt stitching. So I have taken it like this, and make sure that you match it properly, and you start the stitching. Once you have done with the first shoulder, then come with the second shoulder, match it properly, see, we have finished our shoulder stitching. So now if you see here, our shoulder is finished and the neck hole is ready. Now the next step what we are going to do is we are going to sieve our sleeves. So now I'm taking my sleeves, to make you understand, I have given a notch. So this notch means that it is the front part. I'm keeping it here. Make sure that you match the shoulder point and the sleeves properly, and adjust the edges. Make sure that you match this notch point. I'm going very slow so that you understand neatly. So I've just finished one side of the sleeves attachment. Now I'm going to go and attach the other side. So once I've finished my sleeves, then the next step is I have to attach my sleeve side and the side stitching. Here, if you can see, this is where I'm stitching my side seam right now. See, these are my sleeves. This is the neck part which has been finished. This is the shoulder part. We have attached the sleeves neatly, and so we have finished the side seam. So let me turn the t-shirt and show you what we have finished. So I'm starting with the neckband attachment. So I have prepared the neckband round, and now I'm going to attach it from here. So the first step what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the neck here. So we never started from the points here, we start a little backside. So from here I'm going to start attaching. Okay, so once we have done that, then we are going to take it and hold it here, and now we are going to match it nicely. See, make sure I'm going very slow. Make sure that you keep the fabric, stretch the band to match the neckline. Once you have reached the half of the point, make sure that you hold it properly again and match it neatly. I'm going very slow. Okay, my neck is finished. I'm just going to show you how it looks. Let me make a simple ironing for this. So now we are going to fold and do a flat lock finishing at the sleeves here. So to do that, we are going to insert it in the machine like this, and make sure that you fold it properly. So to demonstrate, I'm going it very slow. Once you reach the starting point, you're going to run a little left, loosen up the threads and pull this. Now I'll show you the finishing. It will get finished like this. So now we are going to continue with the other sleeves and the bottom also. We'll do it in a very quick manner. The only thing is there are two needles here. This edge has to be kept in between of these two needles so that you get a good finishing. So now I'm left with the bottom finish. So here's the bottom finish right now. Make sure your folding is proper so that you get an even hem. See, it's all done now. It's nicely finished. If you want us to do your small quantity manufacturing, then you can contact us. And here you can see the final product.